Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you a huge haul from AliExpress. These orders are from things that I have ordered a month or two ago, so you know it does take a while to come, but this is the first time I've ever ordered this much stuff, and they're all basically either beads or charms, because you guys heard on my other video that I don't have a lot of charms or enamel charms, so I went buck wild, guys, on Ali. So you guys, if you want to watch this video, go grab some coffee and have a seat because I got some really cute stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and get started because this video may be a long video. So, and also before I start, I will try to put all the links down below. If I do forget, please comment and let me know if there's something that I did forget. But otherwise, I'm gonna try to link everything down below because it is a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that I purchased were these really cute balloon charms, and they're gold. Look at how cute that is. And then it's like there's like resin, colored resin inside the hearts. So there's 10 of these, but they're really good size. So I purchased that. And then some butterflies, some really cute butterflies. I have some more coming that have not arrived yet, but they're like different color butterflies, and they're super cute. Yeah, they come with like different colors. So I purchased that. Some more butterflies. I thought these were really cute. They're like monarch butterflies. Look at how cute that is. They're like a ombre gradient pink. And they're really cute, the sizes. Let me just show you the different size. So that's the size difference. So I picked those up. Let's see. Oh, and I purchased these before, but in a different color, but I decided to get these again. These are the ones that I saw Scrap Diva here on YouTube purchase. I believe she got all the colors, but the last ones that I purchased were the pink ones, and these are the red ones. I'm not gonna take it out because you guys probably seen them. So it's the Hello Kitty head, and then the bow. So, and there's glitter on them. So purchased that, and then got some of these cute charm, or these ones, by the way, are not charms, they're cabochons. So these don't have any hook or anything, so you would have to probably attach a bell to these if you want to use them as a charm. But the rest so far are charms. These are little coffee mugs, Starbucks. But look at how cute that is. It has the heart whipped cream on the top and a little hook right there. So I purchased those. And I got these bow. Are these, I didn't even check. There's 21 in here, and I thought they were beads. Some of them I thought they were beads, but they're actually just acrylic cabochons, I assume. So there's all these pretty colors in here, so I picked those up. It's a really good size. It's not too big, but not too small. So I picked those up, and then I picked up, I got two of these, some silver. And it's crazy because I don't know if you guys notice that a lot of the enamel charms are gold. So whenever I can find like silver so that I don't have too many gold, I will pick them up. So I found these really cute Hello Kitty head, and the bow even has a bling on it, and they're silver. So I picked up 2 bags of those. I'm super excited that I was able to find silver. So let's see, picked up that, and then here are the same thing, but I picked them up in 3 different colors. So again, here's some Hello Kitty heads, and they have a pearl in the center, and I thought they were so cute. So they're kind of like a Hello Kitty Shabby. So I got it in the black. And then they also have them in the pink as well. Aren't those super adorable? And then they also had them in the white. Oops. So I got that. And then they, I'm assuming these are gifts because I didn't order these, but I thought they were cute anyways. They're like little rose charms. So got that. And you're gonna notice that a lot of the things, excuse me, that I got is like Sanrio, Hello Kitty related. But the reason is because they're so adorable, I had to get them. So these, I thought they were a pack of 10, but they were actually a pack of 6, but they do have them in a 10. So I'm going to go ahead and probably order the 10 pack, but I thought these were so adorable. They're like, oops, and there's different colors as well. So there's different colors of these, and they're like a Frappuccino cup with a straw, and it has like a blue, baby blue, and the heart in the center is like a pink. So they did have a different colors. They had donuts with these. So I'm going to go ahead and order those later. And then from Little Miss Melody, she is the Sanrio family. These charms are so cute and they're such a good size and good quality. Look at how adorable that is. So I picked up her. And then I also picked up Little Twin Star, and these are so cute, you guys. They're like ice cream scoops in an ice cream cup. And then you have like a dollop of, I don't know what that is, another piece of ice cream, yellow ice cream, I guess. So these are so super cute. Picked up those, and then these are so adorable. You guys are just gonna die. I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have those. Look how cute. These are Hello Kitties dressed up in Monsters Inc. costumes. Isn't that adorable? It is my favorite movie, the little Monsters Inc. So picked up that, and then I thought these were actually beads, but I don't think they're already tiny. They're 10 millimeters. There's 100 pieces in here. I thought these were beads, but they're actually FlatBack, like cabochons, and they're just like black and white. See? So I thought those were little beads, but they're just little cabochons. So I would have to add the bell on the back of those. And then these, you guys, are super cute. These look bigger in the picture, but they're actually really small. But nonetheless, they are so cute. They're like transparent colored acrylic charms. And look, I don't know if you can see that. It's Hello Kitty again. So you guys are gonna see, I haven't seen all these before, and then I just happened to look one day and I was like, oh my gosh, they have Hello Kitty everything. So that is the reason why I picked these up, because they're so cute. All the Hello Kitty stuff is just so adorable. So they come in, I'm not sure how many pieces, but they have all these colors. I thought that was super cute. So I picked that up, and then I seen Erica haul these a while back, and I purchased them. But I want to purchase more because I really love them. You get this whole bag, and they're beads with with a star. See how cute those are? But I want to get the black ones. I've seen black ones. And if you guys, I don't know if they do exist, if they have ones with hearts. So if you guys see one with hearts, please let me know. Comment down below, message me, because I want to get these. These are super cute. And I think I've seen them on Amazon as well, with like 200 pieces, and they also had black. So I thought that was really cute. And then I purchased these little flower beads. They're like acrylic flower beads that look like that. The hole is on the back. Like, I don't know if you could see that. It looks like that. So, but I thought that was cute. I loved all the colors. Picked up some of those. and I picked up some buttons. They're Hello Kitty wood buttons. But I wouldn't suggest to buy these because some of the pictures on here are so off. Like that one is upside down. This one, they didn't cover the whole front of it. So it's like wonky. See, that's supposed to be like, I guess how it's supposed to be, but look at this one. This one's upside down, the image. Oops. So this one's upside down. So yeah, this one's sideways, and this one is off-centered. So I am definitely going to be writing a review. I normally don't write a review, but this time I will, because I think when you purchase things like that from these places, you expect a certain, you know, I mean, they're just beads. They still couldn't get it right. So some of them were okay, but a lot of them were not done well. Like, look at that one. That one's totally off, and that's kind of a bummer because a lot of them here in this bag were like that. So yeah, so I picked those up, and I picked these little Boba Charms up. I thought they were so adorable. They had different colors as well. Look at how cute. Little bobas, pink bobas. They had different colors like blue, and I think they had like a white maybe. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up these beads here, these pastel beads, because I wanted like different shapes. So I picked up those, and then oops, I picked up these, and these are like the same color. They're like pastel leaves. So if you wanted to make a dangle or something, you can, see right there, you can connect them. See if I could do it. See? And you can make dangles with them. And I thought that was such a cute idea. So I purchased 2 bags of these. So that's what it looks like. So I got these here. Moving on. I'm almost finished, you guys. To me, this is a lot because I've never purchased this much stuff from Amazon before. Or not Amazon, from Ali. But look at how cute these are. They're little Hello Kitty toast. And I've seen them before. They've been in my basket for a long time. So they're not actually charms. They're cabochons. So you have to put the bell on the back. And look at how cute. They're like little pieces of toast. And then look at, this one has like a little dimension on the bow. It like pops up a little bit. So I thought that was adorable. Got that. And then again, I got Little Miss Melody Charms. This one is so cute because this time she's actually in a ice cream cone. So get a baggie of those. And I think a lot of the charms have like a count of 10 in them. So the things that you see like this, they have 10. So I picked up that, and then I picked up, these are actually keychains, and I picked them up so that I can redo them and make them as dangles. But how cute are these? So this one has like 2 little dangles already on them, but I'm probably gonna take off that and just make it into a cute dangle. So I purchased that one. I thought that was super adorable. And then I did do another one, or pick up another one. And look at how cute that is. Look at how cute, isn't that cute? So those who have been following me for a while now, I've in the past have bought like keychains like this from downtown LA. And I've actually altered them, taking them apart, some of the pieces apart, and making them into dangles. So it's been a while since I did one, like a keychain. So I'm super excited about these. These are so adorable. And last but not least, I did purchase this big old thing of bows. Now, the thing that I liked about this is that this set came with silver and gold. So again, they don't have a lot of silver enamel charms out there. So that's why I purchased this. There's a whole bunch of different colors. So I'm going to try to show you the gold because there's a whole bunch in here. A whole bunch of different colors. Let's see. That one. Here's, oh, that's silver. I'm trying to find a different color that, just so that you can see what colors are in here. Oh, here goes it. Okay, that's that one. So I think that's all the gold, I want to say, in here. Okay, so here's the gold pieces. And then for silver, this is a really pretty one right here. It's the light pink with the dark pink. You have that one, this one, that one. And I love how cute they are because of the polka dots. The polka dots just make them look super adorable. Let's see. So I feel like, maybe I'm wrong, there's more silver color than gold in here. But these are the colors here. And I think with the little bling and the polka dots, they are super adorable. So these were a little bit more, I think, I don't recall how many is in here, but I will go ahead and link the link down below. I want to say this was like $6 for all this, but I could be wrong. But yeah, so this, you guys, is my AliExpress haul here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to put all the links down below again. If I forget or I'm missing one, please let me know and I will go ahead and look for the link. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody has a fantastic week and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.